NightTrader hit its profit target just now. We have about an hour into the close. I'm going over the trades for February the 12th, and we still have 1 hour to close. It's kind of a gap up, slow grinding day. You see the day session here. If you're looking at this, the market gapped up, sold off. Now it's gapped up, and it's going to go up and do the opposite of yesterday. Yesterday was a bit of a pullback, and then today it just kind of floats up here at the highs with nothing knocking it down. And we have NightTrader, like I said, hit its profit target. Adaptive moving average is up 175. It got long right at 9 Central, 10 Eastern, and it's just sitting at plus 150. So very narrow range. The VIX is nosediving. You have a 9.75 point range, one of the narrowest ranges I've seen in a while. And so it's interesting because yesterday the VIX was above 15, and so we don't typically see the VIX above 15 when the market is at all-time highs, and so the VIX has been a little high lately. Now it's down to, it's just nosediving today. It's at 13.8, and so that's more what we're used to seeing. I think some of the initial thinking today is that coronavirus fears are gone. Don't know whether that will actually be the case, but that's perception right now. So two trades in this three trades in this workspace. Adaptive moving average 150. NightTrader hit its $675 profit target. It's up 20 on the day, so it's up 1,000 on the day because it ended the day yesterday underwater. So at the end of yesterday, you're down 1,000 on you're at $1,000 lower than you are now in your account balance based on this strategy, even though it hit its $675 profit. So it was part of yesterday's down day and losses. We had some losses yesterday, a series of losers, and then some bounce back today so far with NightTrader up. And then gap continuation, one of our favorite strategies, plus 400. And see the Nasdaq just floating higher as well, just sitting at all-time highs. And let's look at All Strategy Access 2, Stock Index Portfolio. 60-minute breakout is long, plus 155. Just not a lot going on, but I can, if the market just does this the rest of the day and we don't get any bad news, I can anticipate another gap up tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday, so that's what I would be anticipating if it just stayed right here in this area for the last hour. No bad news. Boom, another gap up tomorrow. So 60-minute breakout would be on the right side if that does happen. All Strategy Access 5, no trades, very selective. All Strategy Access 3. Interesting, the euro is just really down at the 108 level. Really bearish in the euro, so it went through a losing streak right here on these long trades, and now it hit this long and then hit this short, and so more trendy to the downside than I've seen the euro in a while. It hovered a lot, it chopped a lot around 110, but now it's really selling off, and maybe we'll get to parity with the US dollar soon. So that is All Strategy Access 3. All Strategy Access 4, natural gas is stopped out, minus 825 on that trade. We had 2 short trades before that, and looks like it just, it just kind of ran out of room to the downside. Pretty low values here in the winter, and it took this gap down on Sunday night and eventually has reversed it and reversed this trade to fill this Sunday night gap, and so we'll see what happens from here on natural gas. So those are all the strategies today in the All Strategy Access workspace setups, and we still have about an hour before the futures close. Could be an interesting close. Just seems like the market ought to sell off at this point, take some profits or something, but I think the Nasdaq really wants 10,000, so maybe it'll hold, maybe it'll sell off at some point. We'll see. And so look forward to what happens the rest of the day.